Windstream Kinetic by Internet Review. Watch before using. Most people think all internet providers are basically the same, but you won't believe what happens next when your video calls start freezing in the middle of the workday. Windstream, now branded as Kinetic by Windstream, is an internet service provider serving many rural and suburban areas. It offers both DSL and fiber internet, depending on your location. For many small towns, Kinetic is one of the only high-speed options available. The surprising truth is that Kinetic Fiber can deliver symmetrical speeds. That means your upload and download speeds can be the same, which is a huge advantage for remote workers, online gamers, and anyone who uploads large files. But most people get this wrong. They assume the advertised speed is what they will always get. In reality, DSL connections can be much slower than fiber and are more sensitive to distance from network equipment. If your address is only eligible for DSL, your experience may be very different from someone with fiber. Kinetic also offers no contract plans in many areas, which gives flexibility. However, installation fees, modem rentals, and promotional pricing that increases after the first year are important to review before signing up. Windstream is best for people in underserved areas who want reliable service and possibly access to fiber where available. The surprising truth is that location matters more than brand when it comes to internet quality. Subscribe for more honest internet reviews that help you choose wisely.